Multiplying polynomials. Today, our goal is to multiply two polynomials. And we're going to be doing that with the distributive property and using the acronym FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So to begin with, if I just have a term, 3x squared, just one term, I call that a monomial. If I add or subtract a number to it, well, I don't know, plus 2x. Now I have two terms that are being added or subtracted. I call that a binomial. And if I say subtracted a 1 from that, I have three terms that are added or subtracted together, and those are called a trinomial. One term's a monomial, two terms binomial. If I have three terms, it's a trinomial. And anything more than three terms we call just a polynomial. So we're going to be multiplying two binomials. X plus 2 is a binomial, x minus 3 is a binomial. And we're going to be using the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And this describes the position of the two terms that we'll be multiplying together. So to start with, we're going to multiply the first term in each of these binomials. So let me hide that for a minute. So we're going to be multiplying the x times the x. And that'll give us an x squared. Those are our first terms in each binomial. Now we're going to multiply the two outer terms. So that would be x times negative 3. Which is negative 3x. And now we're going to multiply the inner terms of each binomial. So 2 times x is a 2x. And now we're going to multiply the two last terms of each binomial. 2 times a negative 3 is a negative 6. So now we've taken two binomials, multiplied them together, and we have four terms. But we can combine two of these. They have the negative 3x and the 2x can be combined. So we can rewrite this as an x squared minus x minus 6. So we've multiplied two binomials, ended up with a trinomial. Example 2, 3x plus 4 times x plus 5. Let's use our FOIL method. The first term of each, 3x times x is 3x squared. The outer term, 3x and 5. So 3x times 5 is 15x. The inner term, 4 times x is 4x. And the last terms of each binomial, 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to rewrite combining any like terms, 3x squared plus 19x plus 20. Alright, so we're going to skip example 3 for now. Let's go to example 4. Write an expression for the area of the following figure. So here we have a rectangle. One side is x minus 7 long, the other is x plus 4 long. To find the area, we need to multiply x minus 7 times x plus 4. And we'll go ahead and use our FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last, since we're multiplying two binomials. So our first terms here are x times x, which is x squared. Our outer terms, x times 4 is a plus 4x. Our inner terms, negative 7 and x is a negative 7x. And our last term, negative 7 times 4 is a negative 28. We're going to rewrite combining any like terms, and our result is x squared minus 3x minus 28. So your turn to practice. Go ahead and practice. Do A and do D. All right. X plus 3 times x minus 7 using FOIL. We're going to do the first term, multiply the first terms. X times x is x squared. The outer terms, x and a negative 7 is a minus 7x. The inner terms are 3 and x. So that's a plus 3x. And the last terms are 3 and a negative 7, which is a minus 21. We can rewrite this as x squared minus 4x minus 21. 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. First term, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. The outer term, 3x and a 1, is plus 3x. Now we'll multiply the inner term of negative 4 and 2x, which is negative 8x. And we'll multiply the last term, negative 4 times 1, which is a negative 1. No, it isn't. It's a negative 4. Just seeing if you're listening. Now we're going to combine any like terms. 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. And there we've done it.